Guys, what do you think? Should we be friends with our ex?
Is it okay to be friends with my ex? So, hindi healthy maging friend. Kasi baka may temptation, manunumbalik yung mga past hurts, magiging clingy, hindi
Yeah.
maka-let go, hindi maka-heal.
But then we
So,
said it-
wag na lang. So, bottom line, wag makipagkaibigan sa ex kung wala namang idudulot na kabutihan. Walang purpose, matetempt lang, magkukos ng conflict at magkukos ng confusion.
Yes.
Kasi di ba, baka ma-confuse yung isa, sabihin niya, ay bakit siya nakikipagkaibigan sa akin? Baka type niya pa rin ako. Baka magkaroon ng mixed emotions or mixed thoughts that can cause confusion. And then magde-develop pa yan ng jealousy sa spouse or jealousy sa girlfriend, sa boyfriend. So better na hindi. So ergo, keep your distance. Kapag hiwalay na kayo, break na kayo, heal and do not cultivate anymore.
Pag hindi pa kayo nakaka-move on, we'll pray for you.
At saka naniniwala tayo na may mga taong pinapadaan si God sa buhay mo.
For a season.
For a season. Hindi kailangan lagi silang nandyan.
Hindi siya
Hindi
for
rin
all
it-
seasons.
Yes, and pwedeng they were there during those times that you
To
needed
teach
to
you
learn
something.
a lesson. And let's be grateful na
Right.
nakilala
Ako
din
naman.
natin at
Ako
nakasama
grateful
natin
naman ako.
sila.
Diba? Are you grateful?
Oh, grateful naman tayo.
We're all grateful. Kasi naturuan naman tayo ng lesson,
Oo.
diba?
Each season has its purpose.
Reason.
Diba? And may mga taong nakatakda na nasa tabi mo
Ang
habang
lalim,
buhay.
nakatakda. So yun ang stand namin. Better not, kung wala namang idudulot na kabutihan, if it will cause confusion, jealousy, hurt, opening of old wounds. Wag na lang. But if it's going to cause peace, harmony, respect, and healthy boundaries, why not? Lalo na kung may anak kayo sa isa't
At
isa.
saka pray for it. Kasi
Pray
kung,
for it.
kung walang peace, ibig sabihin,
It's not from
At
the
the
Lord.
end, yeah.
Oo.
diba? Kung
And
walang peace,
always-
kunyari nakikita mo siya, tas wala kang peace, wag na.
Protect your mind, your heart, guard your steps.